हेलो जी नसीबा, वेलकम बैक टू मैनजरत। सो गाइस, हमारे एक सब्सक्राइबर बहुत ऐसे रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे थे इस वीडियो के लिए, हाउ टू अप्लाई जॉब्स इन कॉलेज. So you can apply this method in whichever college you are, and this viewer was specifically requesting for Algonquin College. So it doesn't matter, because the reason why I'm making this video in English is so that anyone who's from anywhere around the world in Canada and who wishes to apply for college jobs can watch my video, and this video can be helpful to them on how to get an on-campus job in the college. So before the video starts, guys, let's talk about the benefits of on-campus jobs. So the main benefit of on-campus jobs is they're highly paid. The second thing is you don't have to take separate buses to go off your job somewhere else. You can just continue your job and you can manage your classes easily because you just have to go to one place, which is your college. The third and most important benefit is that sometimes your hours don't count. So they won't count your hours and you can work limitless hours and it's not counted on your sin, and it's an exception. But I don't know, the rules have changed right now, but or not, but this is an exception. Also, one of my friends which got a college job has told me that when she was working in the college was very flexible. They would actually reduce her hours when she needs more time for studying for exams, and will give her more hours when she had her break. So they are very flexible. So those were the benefits, and now let's talk about the process of how to get a job in college. If this video helps you even 1%, make sure you subscribe. And we post a lot of videos about Canada and what's happening in Canada and all the immigration and reviews as well. So make sure you subscribe and don't miss a single video. Let's start the video. Okay guys, so the first things first, number one thing you need to do is build a solid portfolio, a solid resume and a solid cover letter. Before anything, you need to build up that things, because resume, cover letter and portfolio will be really important. Sometimes you even get the emails from the websites, which I'll show you in a second, where you can find the emails of the HR, and you just send them a beautiful handwritten, not handwritten, I mean you should write it yourself rather than using chat gpt, and send that letter along with your resume attached to that email to that HR's email, and I can guarantee you that HR will give that email more attention than just uploading your resume and applying it through the websites. So if you get the email of HR through websites, just email the HR personally. That will have the more impact. So number one step was just to create a solid portfolio and resume. Number two is going on the websites and actually finding which jobs are open right now. So I'm gonna jump on the screen, I'm gonna show you, and you can Google it side by side and look it up on your phone, how to find the jobs on Algonquin or any other college you are going to. So first things first, we will look up Algonquin College Careers Workday. You can do that for whichever college you are applying in, and then you go on career opportunities, my workday jobs, because as we discussed that most of the jobs won't be posted on the college website. So it will take you to this page, career opportunities. Here you can refine your search, or you can just look up whichever job you want, part-time or full-time. Now of course you can't apply for a job for professor. You can apply this job, and these all are posted today, so you have high chances of getting it. So there are many jobs you can apply here, and there's one another website. Okay, so the next website you can visit is Student Association Algonquin. So these are also some of the jobs that only Student Association hires you for. You go on menu, you go on our team, join our team, and on this you can look on the career opportunities which are available on different campuses, either Ottawa or Pembroke, and you can apply it there. So you can do it for whichever college you are in, and hopefully you get a job there. And now let's move on to the next step. Okay guys, so now you know which jobs are available at which website, and you know how to apply. So what are you waiting for? Go apply for it. And the next step is basically you apply for it and you get the emails from the job posting itself, and give them a personal message that why you'll be a good hire and how motivated you are to work there. And the final step is just to give an extra touch. If you don't get a reply within a week, I'll say keep sending them emails and keep checking on your profile if you were selected or not, and tell them how interested you are, just to be given a chance for an interview, so that it gives you a better priority than other candidates, that you are actually interested in getting this job. So that was the whole process. And basically what happens if you get selected for the interview is that you go for an interview call. It'll be an interview call on your phone. You don't have to go anywhere. It'll be just a minute call. They'll ask you some basic questions, and if you pass them, and 100% of people actually pass the first interview call, the second interview will be in person, where they'll actually see you, see your personality, and if you can do the job right. And if you clear the second interview, you get a final job offer, and there you go, that's your job. So that is the basic process of how to get any job at Algonquin or any other college or any university. If you like this video, please subscribe and share this video with your friends who are looking for a job on campus, and tell them the benefits. See you guys in the next one.